This afternoon, we are talking haze and heat as well. We've got temperatures soaring despite the fact that the wildfire smoke that's drifted in from Canada is obscuring our view of the blue sky and sunshine a little bit. Some of that sun's energy still making its way through here today. So here's a look at our temperatures. We're at 81 degrees right now in Fargo. It's 88 in Grand Forks. So we're very close to that 90-degree mark in the Northern Valley, and we'll continue to work our way there as we head into the afternoon hours. So really feeling the heat out there. Now here's a look at our winds. They are stronger up north into the teens and 20s, gusting in the 20s in Grand Forks and Langdon. Wind northwesterly there. We'll see more of that in the Southern Valley as we progress through the day today. Visibility is looking pretty good. We've got visibility in most areas. That's just fine. But you can see in Fargo we're at 6 miles. That's a sign that that wildfire smoke is making its way down to the surface a little bit more here. And air quality index as of last check was near alert levels, just a couple of points under that alert level. So that gives you an idea that if you're sensitive to this kind of stuff, that you might want to take it easy, stay indoors today, especially because it's hot out there too. That combination, because we're not used to the heat either, would be pretty tough. Here's a look at your radar and satellite map right now. Of course, we've got that haze, but we're also seeing some clouds streaming through up around the Red Lake and Lake of the Woods area. Some clouds down to the south too. And these are some areas we're going to keep an eye on here for this afternoon. It's quiet right now, but we may have enough energy this afternoon to produce an isolated thunder shower or two. Anywhere in green, south and east is where we may see it. And those of us in that deeper green, so in our very eastern viewing area, Hubbard, Wadena, back into Otter Tail counties, that's where we may see that wind and hail reach severe levels potentially briefly with any storms that do pop up. And here's a look at how things will play out. We're mostly sunny again and hazy out there. Temperatures will be climbing. First of all, let's take a look at these temperatures. They're going to be into the mid 80s for Fargo for your high. Grand Forks, we're only 2 degrees away from 90. I think we've got a good shot of getting there. So that heat driving some areas of thunder down in the south, Lakes Country again, just in some of those same areas, south and east. And it won't last very long. They'll pop up and then they'll quickly move out of our viewing area further south and east of us, but still the potential's there and something we want you to be aware of. Heading into this evening, it's going to be a warm one tonight. We're still in the 80s around 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock, we're still in the 70s. So a warm night ahead. Still breezy, still getting some gusts into the teens and 20s out of the north, northwest or west. And as we head into the overnight hours, it's a warm one tonight. It's a night to have that fan going, that air conditioner rolling as well to stay comfortable while you're trying to sleep. We're going to see some temperatures in the 60s and 50s to start off tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow a cold front starts to go through. So that's going to make a difference in temperatures for us for your Friday. Northern Valley, this is dropping in from the north. The Northern Valley will cool down first. Southern Valley, we will stay on the warm side of this for a while. So by the time we get into that afternoon time frame, we're looking at 60s to low 70s up north, whereas in the south, we're still in the upper 70s to some low 80s. So right along that front, as we head into the afternoon and evening, we could see some showers and thunder showers pop up. Right now, it looks like they may mainly miss us, though we can't rule out that it may be a little farther north that develops, and we could see those hanging around into early Saturday morning. Temperatures this weekend will be cooler after that front moves through. Temperatures into the 70s coming up for Saturday and Sunday. And as far as that wildfire smoke is concerned, it looks right now that it may stick around. We might get a couple more rounds of it into tomorrow and potentially this weekend before it clears out. So something to be aware of, that it might stick around a couple more days.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.